Of course, very closely tracking the by-polls in Hisar as well. Perhaps the most widely anticipated result as far as the by-poll is concerned. As far as early trends coming in, it shows that Kuldeep Bishnoi is leading by nearly 15,000 votes. And the INLD, which had earlier expressed a lot of confidence while speaking to Times Now earlier today, is trailing, while the Congress is trailing third in what is a three-way battle.
रुझान तो शुरू हो चुका है। पहले राउंड का लगभग रिजल्ट आने को है और 1700 वोट की लीड मेरी फर्स्ट राउंड में यहाँ से है। बाकी अब मैं बाकी जगह जाता हूँ, देखता हूँ, ये अब बढ़त तो लगातार बढ़ती जाएगी। तो मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था, अब तो सिर्फ गिन के रिजल्ट अनाउंस करना है। जीत तो मैं चुका हूँ।
ने जो यहाँ पर कैंपेन करा था, उसका क्या असर होगा, आपको क्या लगता है?
हर चीज का असर होता है, निश्चित तौर पर उसका भी मुझे लाभ मिलेगा।
Win with God's grace, then it will be basically because of my father's family track record that we have done a lot for Hisar, and number two, because of the BJP HJC alliance. Third, people see open possibility in me. Team Anna didn't help me at all, frankly, because they only believed in negative politics.
Tavleen is live with us from Hisar. Tavleen, the INLD, according to the early trends, was expressing a lot of confidence, but seems to be trailing as of now. Tavleen, if you can hear me, what, according to you, are the latest trends that you're picking up from Hisar?
See, as of now, I'm at Kuldeep Bishnoi's residence, and the people here, all his supporters and all the party supporters and the workers who've been working with him are quite happy because of the results that they are seeing. He is obviously ahead right now of all the other two contenders. From behind me, you can see all of them assembled. A lot of people here are sitting and watching television to know what kind of trends are they seeing in Hisar. But one thing is sure, Kuldeep Bishnoi talking to Times Now and telling us that the impact of Team Anna, as it has been, Team Anna has been saying that do not vote for Congress because of the corruption angle. He's saying that the impact has not been too much here because they came only in the last 4-5 days, which did not have any impact. And one point that he reiterated, Nupur, was the fact that if Team Anna was against corruption, they should have also said that do not vote for Ajay Chautala also, because he's had a charge sheet against him. But as of now, people here are saying that they're quite confident. Kuldeep Bishnoi also saying that he's very confident that he will be winning, not because of Team Anna's campaign, but because of the fact of the work that his father has done at this particular constituency. And he's saying after he wins, after he gets this victory, if that happens, the one thing that he will be doing is the development work that has not been done in Hisar as far as Haryana is concerned.
All right, Tavleen, stay on with us. Tavleen, live with us from outside Kuldeep Bishnoi's residence, where his supporters have already started milling in, with early trends showing that he is leading by as many as 15,000 votes. We also have Shamsher joining us live from outside the counting centre. Shamsher, what is the latest that you're getting from there?
Well, Kuldeep Bishnoi has consolidated his lead. He's ahead by around 30,000 votes from Ajay Chautala, the closest contender, and the Congress candidate is far behind both of the first two candidates, Kuldeep Bishnoi and Ajay Chautala. So Congress here pretty much on a sticky wicket. Very difficult for the Congress from now on to recover so much of lead and gain the first position. It is now very, very difficult for the Congress, and the victorious clearly. Kuldeep Bishnoi is emerging victorious among the three main contenders, though there were 40 candidates contesting this election.